Okay, so smartphone market under 15,000 is ruled by Xiaomi and Realme until 2021. Now after the inclusion of 5G in smartphones, the budget value smartphones are gone now. The phones and brands which are praised for value for money under 15,000 are not even repeating the same vibes under 20,000 this year. So brands like Infinix are slowly creeping in and launching better phones and also improving themselves. Here let's see their newly launched Infinix Note 12. The reviewer box I got was Doctor Strange edition with some goodies. Keep in mind, only the retail box comes to you when you order it. So this is the reviewer unit which we received. It's a huge box which on the top says Infinix Note 12 series, and this series is in collaboration with Marvel Studio. Now let's quickly unbox it and see what all content we get inside this reviewer box. So here we have the device itself along with a keychain which consists of this time stone. Then we have these dog tags followed by a finger clamp, fridge magnet, a t-shirt, and at last a Doctor Strange case and a screen protector. So these are the box content of a reviewer. And now let's take a look at the retail box content. So this is the box in which you'll receive the device. Soon you open the box, you'll get to see your device itself, followed by a 33-watt charging brick, a USB to Type-C charging cable, a welcome card, some user manual along with Doctor Strange stickers, and at last a soft TPU case with a cool looking design. And talking about some of the specifications of this device, so this device comes with an AMOLED screen which is 6.7 HD Full HD Plus. Processor on this device is MediaTek Helio G88. We have two variants, one is 4GB and another one is 6GB. Though we do get the support of virtual RAM, device also supports dual stereo speakers. We get 33 watt of fast charging. Battery on this device is 5000 mAh and we have a triple camera setup. The primary camera is 50 megapixel. Now talking about the design of this device, it has a very good design with flat side frames. Although frames and the back panel is basically plastic, it has ultra sleek matte finish. The device is slightly big with 6.7 inch display and weighs around 187 grams. We do get the support of 3.5mm headphone jack, which they did not skip and which is good for this price. Towards the right hand side we have volume rockers along with the power key, which is also an fingerprint button. And trust me guys, unlocking this device is quite faster using this physical fingerprint option present on this device. You just have to touch the button and device instantly gets unlocked. On the top we have an selfie camera along with an support of stereo speakers. We don't get to see any noise cancellation mic on the top. Bottom we have a mic, Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. On the left side we have SIM tray which do have the support of 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card. Moving on to display and speakers, the display is 6.7 inch tall with quality AMOLED Full HD display. The display quality is good for this price and the viewing angles are also great. The display is plenty bright. Company is claiming 1000 nits of peak brightness, and yes, even in broad sunlight the display is bright enough outdoors to see things easily. Infinix did not do cost cutting in display part, which is a huge thumbs up. Infinix Note 12 has dual stereo speakers which are loud enough but lack slight clarity and balance. The top earpiece sounds very narrow compared to the bottom firing speaker, but considering this price point we cannot complain. Dual speakers are always a welcome. Talking about the camera part on this device, in camera only 50 megapixel main camera and 16 megapixel selfie are useful ones. These sensors are combined with the processing of Infinix. Very decent shots at daylight and average at night. We can see some artificial and smoothing done on some shots. Here are the samples which you guys can take a look at. And along with that we'll be soon coming up with a detailed camera test on this device. Talking about software, so Infinix comes with its own software which is XOS. XOS version is version 10. The device comes with Android 11 out of the box, which is a boomer. It has Infinix custom skins. There are enough features on this OS, but there are also some bloatwares and ads in the UI, which is expected at this price range. Even though it's a cheap phone, people still want a good enough software experience. So Infinix should look into this more in coming future. Now moving on to the performance and gaming part, the heart of the Infinix Note 12 is MediaTek Helio G88. It's an octa-core processor and it handles day-to-day tasks really well. And you can also play casual games. For the gaming part, we do have an advanced mode of Dark Link engine which boosts CPU, GPU, network acceleration and memory acceleration. The phone is not meant for heavy games like BGMI, Call of Duty, Genshin Impact, etc. You can play these games at only basic graphic settings, but things like gyro and other stuff works pretty much good. Here's a small gameplay which you can take a look at. Gyroscope seems to be working really good on this device. I wasn't expecting it to work so flawlessly, but a great device with gyroscope turned on. And I don't even see lags, though max output which it can give is 40 FPS, which is not at all a bad experience with 40 FPS. Talking about the battery and charging, as said, device comes with 5000 mAh of battery and which also supports the max output of 33 watts. So we should not have any kind of issues charging the device. We'll be doing a complete review of this device and we'll tell you guys how much time device takes to charge from 0 to 100. And now at last, talking about the pricing and conclusion. So Note 12 comes in two variants. One is 4GB plus 64GB. And the second one is 6GB and 128GB of storage. For the 4GB variant, costing will be 11,999 and for 6GB variant, costing will be 12,999. Considering the price of Infinix Note 12 is a very good launch by Infinix. Clearly they are improving themselves for every launch. For all around experience and AMOLED display, dual speakers, etc. you can consider this smartphone. Only cons it has is the camera is decent compared to competition, and also the Android version with which it comes is only Android 11. Though Infinix have promised they'll be releasing an OTA update of Android 12 pretty soon. So guys, this was the first impression and unboxing of Infinix Note 12. If you have any kind of questions related to this device, do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.